Music adds joy to our lives, and you may want to transfer your favorite playlists to a new iPhone, whether sharing, upgrading, or transferring non-purchased music. This guide covers 4 simple ways to move your playlists between iPhones. Way 1. Transfer playlist from iPhone to iPhone with iOS transfer. Do you have a lot of unpurchased songs that you want to transfer, but are worried about the loss of sound quality? A reliable iPhone transfer tool can solve these problems for you. iOS Transfer is a popular tool for transferring data. How to transfer music from iPhone to iPhone using iOS Transfer. Step 1. Install and open the software on your computer. Connect your 2 iPhones to your computer using USB cables. Once connected, the software will display both devices on the main screen. Step 2. Select your old iPhone from the list of devices. In the left sidebar, click Music and select the songs you want to transfer from your old iPhone. Step 3. In the top menu, select Export to Device and choose the new iPhone as the destination. This will transfer your selected music. Way 2. Transfer playlist from old iPhone to new iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Click the device icon and select Music. Check Sync Music and choose the playlists to transfer. Click Sync to add the playlists to your iPhone. Way 3. Copy playlist from iPhone to iPhone via iCloud. On the old iPhone, go to Settings, your name iCloud, and enable music. On the new iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID. Then go to Settings, your name iCloud Music, and turn it on. Way 4. Transfer playlist from iPhone to iPhone with AirDrop. On both iPhones, open Control Center, tap AirDrop, and choose Everyone or Contacts Only. On the old iPhone, tap Share AirDrop and select the new iPhone. On the new iPhone, tap View to access.